Hello, and welcome to our presentation on Oracle's Cloud Access Security Broker, or CASB for short. Today we'll discuss what a CASB is and how Oracle's CASB helps you safeguard your cloud environments. Today we'll talk about Oracle CASB's integration capabilities and what value Oracle CASB brings to you.
Do you know what's connected to your network? Do you know if your cloud applications are secured? Can you detect the real and potential threats to your multi-vendor cloud environment? Cloud Access Security Broker will help you answer these questions. CASBs provide security through four key functions. First, through visibility into who is accessing what applications. Second, through compliance with applicable regulations and policies. Third, with data security that manages who is accessing what data. And fourth, using threat protections to identify and respond to high-risk activities.
Oracle CASB provides other functionality based on machine learning and incident response capabilities. Oracle CASB leverages real-time threat intelligence from your cloud providers and applies machine learning techniques to establish a baseline behavior pattern. Current user activity is compared to the baseline to identify anomalous user behavior, and alignment with the baseline is calculated as a user risk score. The utilization of APIs allows Oracle CASB to provide deep insights into your cloud-native applications. Out of the box, Oracle CASB has strong governance and compliance policies. And as a cloud service, Oracle CASB takes only 5 minutes to deploy.
Now we will demonstrate Oracle CASB's integrations with industry-leading cloud vendors. Let's begin with Amazon Web Services. Oracle CASB's integration with AWS includes a number of out-of-the-box key security indicators to build policies with. One of these is the editing of your EC2 VPNs. And in this example, we can see that there has been multiple attempts to change the VPN gateways. This triggered our policy alert that informs of any changes to the instance's EC2 VPNs. When clicking on the alert, you can see the details of that particular policy and what the recommended actions are. Next, let's take a look at your Microsoft Azure instance. Using an API-based approach, Oracle CASB can detect all logins to your Azure environment, and not just from proxy monitor channels. This is done using a deep integration with Azure Active Directory. Oracle CASB gathers login information directly from the vendor rather than intercepting traffic from your users.
Now we'll discuss how Oracle CASB collaborates with Office 365. Office 365 has strong built-in data loss prevention capabilities, and Oracle CASB can augment it by monitoring and providing suggestions for best practice configurations. I can filter the results using this search field and typing in DLP. In this security control alert, you can see that a data loss prevention policy has been removed. Not knowing about the removal of a data loss prevention policy would mean losing important security measures for your data. With Oracle CASB, you can verify whether these removals are occurring on the correct policies. Let's explore how Oracle CASB monitors your Salesforce environment. Like the other applications we've mentioned, Oracle CASB monitors the security control configuration of Salesforce environments. You can see there are a few security controls that are not compliant with Oracle CASB's stringent baseline. To see the baseline configurations, you can go back to the Apps page and click the Add Modify App button. Going to the Modify App Instance tab and Update Security Control Baseline sub-tab, you'll find your Salesforce instance and the current security control baseline. If there are certain settings that you want to be more stringent than the out-of-the-box baseline, a custom baseline can be established for both password and session policies.
Now, moving on, Oracle CASB also provides many monitoring capabilities for your G Suite domain. After clicking on the policy alerts, you will see that many alerts have been triggered based on user activities inside the G Suite environment. For example, this high-risk alert was created based on the user Jay Smith giving API permissions to a third-party application. If sensitive data is being stored on a system like Google Drive, only trusted applications should be able to access it, if they should even access it at all.
And finally, like the platforms mentioned already, Oracle CASB has excellent integrations and out-of-the-box support for Oracle Cloud Infrastructure and Oracle Identity Cloud Service. Using the search feature again, you can filter out alerts by category and sort by when the activity was detected. Here we can see that a user's login attempts have been flagged as originating from a suspicious IP address. Oracle Casby's user and entity behavior analytics, coupled with machine learning, allow you to drill down into the user's history and determine whether they have deviated from normal user activity. A higher risk score indicates that the user's anomalous activity presents a security risk to your environment and data.
Let's recap on our visual demonstrations. First, we showed you how to keep intellectual property from being moved from your secure system. Second, we showed you how to provide access governance by monitoring privileged accounts and preventing unauthorized activity. Specifically, how to block administrator changes to your security policies if the user is coming in from a risky location, and how to prevent users from handling sensitive data based on rules you can define. Finally, we showed you how to maintain visibility on user behavior by receiving alerts based on user login anomalies.
In 2017, Gartner released a Magic Quadrant on cloud access security brokers. Oracle Casby was included on this report, and a few strengths were highlighted, such as standout user and entity behavior analytics and machine learning capabilities. The 2018 report showed Oracle Casby's significant improvements, being classified as a challenger rather than a niche player. Gartner noted that Oracle Casby's API-based approach allowed for much deeper insights into SaaS configurations than the proxy-based vendors. And it was also said that Oracle Casby had very strong data loss prevention rules and malware detection scans.
In conclusion, Oracle's Cloud Access Security Broker can help you safeguard against internal and external security vulnerabilities. As a long-standing, security-minded company, we strive to ensure that your data is secured. In order to find out more, or even try it yourself, you can create a free trial account at cloud.oracle.com.